Hello people and welcome back to Caought on DashCam channel. We start today's episode off with a crazy pedestrian who didn't bother looking while crossing the road, and he almost got under the driver's car. It's a good thing that the camera had his dashcam in this situation, because it saved him. The total cost to his vehicle was pretty high, and they didn't even want to fix it to him, just gave him the check. As you can see for yourselves, the driver in this Lexus was really in a rush as he was moving really fast and cutting other vehicles off. At the next traffic lights, he is about to pay a heavy price for his crazy driving.
Are you sick of feeling a lack of energy? Are you tired all the time and struggle to focus? Even have Your Beach Party Bargain Day sale. For over 30 years, this has been the first sign of spring for you.
This driver was really jump scared in this one, because he was looking left and checking his mirror for the turn. When he looked back, this truck driver was all of a sudden in front of him. All of a sudden, Cameron found himself head to head with a crazy driver, who all of a sudden appeared simply right in front of him.
That, the value you have for money.
Crazy driver wanted to push his luck, and he ran a red light, but he ran it right in front of a police officer.
Serious? Unbelievable.
This biker flew past the camera at a high rate of speed, and even though the bikers are least protected in traffic, some of them still drive recklessly like this.
When the winning sketch was published, public opinion was divided. Letters published in the Sydney Morning Herald.
In this situation, the camera was really unlucky, and you'll see why.
That was unfortunate. Sorry.
No, that's okay. Is that from that truck? I think so.
Well, that was a...
Cameron was just chilling and minding his own business as he was driving around on a beautiful day, but when he is about to make a turn to the right at the intersection, he'll come across a crazy driver who was driving on the wrong side of the road. Check out what he made him do.
Yeah, there's somebody coming way too fast. Hey, you might slow down a little bit. Slowing down might be a good idea.
Sometimes I wonder what the drivers think when they drive. In this situation, a crazy driver was reversing, but how on earth was he reversing without bothering to check his side view mirrors and rear view mirrors as well? It doesn't always have to be a police officer that brings karma. Check out what happened to this semi-truck driver who was passing the traffic using the shoulder of the road. And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Caought on DashCam channel. And I hope you enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to support us with a like, because that will be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and keep your eyes wide open, guys.